In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wooden mallet from pieces of scrap wood. Okay, so the main idea and design for this mallet is very simple. I took a piece of square wood. It's hardwood, so it's really hard. It's not a soft wood like a pine or something like that. I only rounded off the edges so that there's no sharp edges, so if you smack something, in the end I drilled 2 holes and I chiseled it out so that it can be the same size as another piece of hardwood, which I also just rounded over for no sharp edges, and I only chamfered the front end a slight bit so that it can fit in there nicely. So I can maybe put like a split in the end and put some glue in there, and then basically just hammer this in to the bottom part like this, and then this would be the mallet afterwards. So let me now go quickly, and I'm going to put some glue in there. I'm going to smack this in there, and then afterwards I'll probably stain this a bit or paint it perhaps, just so that it can have a bit more of a protective coat. So this is the end result. So I've glued the handle into the head of the hammer like this, and it's very solid and it's a tight fit already. So when I put the glue in, I hammered it on top so that it's solid in there and it won't come out easily. Now on the other side, I've put in 2 dowels with the wood glue, also very tight. The same as on the head. I put in 2 dowels with glue, just so that when I hit in the handle, or if this is impacting something very hard, the head doesn't want to split or crack. So there's just some extra support. Not always necessary, but I just deemed it safer now instead of the regrets later on. Now this is a nice weight. This is a hardwood, a heavy wood, so it is not a lightweight hammer. This was very effective. This will do the job. The reason I made this is because I realized that the steel hammer is sometimes just a bit too hard and damages the wood, and the rubber mallet doesn't always cut it. It's a bit too soft. So this is ideal. I mean, you can get these to buy a lot of places, but I mean, this was very quick and easy to make. It's 2 pieces of scrap wood that I found. I rounded it off, I stained it a bit, and I basically just glued it together. So if you like this idea, be sure to like the video. Until next time, thank you very much, guys.